Hi guys, so we are at Scopwick level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Andrew. Good God, that doesn't sound good. There we go. Now, the time is 16:06. On Monday the 29th of June 2015, this is 4. Hours 16:11. 483 Yankee, East EWS service from Bow Depot to Heck Plasma. Might as well not.
It's only closer. They're about 3.5 minutes off.
That barrier, that alarm does not sound good.
I know, it's dead.
Did you hear it? It's like, rah, 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 rah.
I don't know.
I can hear one of these passing me anyway because I'm that hot. We've got 66-127. 66-127 to Heck Plasma. Oh, good, blew a poppy in my eye. And up they go. Thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video.